uLesedi is still young, not 22 years old, and uLesedi is a strong independent woman, a leader in her community. You see, once upon a time, uLesedi decided ukuthi ukhathele ukuhlala ekhaya and she wanted a job. She ran off eyotshena ugogo wakhe ukuthi gogo ucela ungizama ngomsebenzi sengathele ukuhlala ekhaya and doing nothing. Ngidla imali yakho. And so ugogo washo uthi no man. Ufundile? Do you have a degree? Wavuma uLesedi wathi yes gogo ngifundile, you see gogo ngiqualified, I have a diploma in information technology le engayithola eRosebank College ePolokwane. Remember this because it's very important to our story. Wajabula ugogo ebona ukuthi ingane yakhe inayo qualification, ifundile i-IT, i-information technology. Wayesebuza kugogo ukuthi no man, unayo working experience? Wavuma uLesedi wathi yes gogo nginayo work experience, you see sengike ngasebenza for 1 year as manager ye-sales and marketing esikoleni sami eRosebank College, and I also volunteered. I was lucky enough to be chosen ukuthi ngiyosebenza in the Department of Ministers office kodwa oyinto short term, and I was a volunteer futhi nakhona. Wajabula ugogo eseza ukuthi ingane yakhe ine work experience, and so she agreed ukusiza uLesedi ukuthi athole umsebenzi. Umunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi what kind of job did uLesedi get? It's deep, it's very deep. uLesedi, at the age of 22, she was recently appointed as the Chief of Staff for the Department of Social Development la eSouth Africa, efakwa ugogo wakhe uSisisi Tholashe. Ubehola imali engango 1.4 million a year. Hayibo ngavele ngashisela. Hayibo. She was the Chief of Staff for the Department of Social Development. Hayibo. uLesedi wanikwa iposition yokuthi abe in control of the Department of Social Development la eSouth Africa, and lento fresh. It's not indaba yale ngo 2000, no, lento recent. Hlakanipha ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi kunama rules when it comes to getting umsebenzi onje. I-employment management rules commonly require an NFQ level 7 qualification, yes, and around 5 years experience in the middle or senior management level before